Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Jasmy coin on your Trust Wallet mobile. Our first step is to take note of the website which we're on, which is coinmarketcap.com, link in the description of the video. And with that, we know that this coin is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So what we do is we simply scroll down till we get to the About, and this About contains its Ethereum address, which we simply click on copy. By simply clicking on copy, we open up our Trust wallet. Please make sure you do have Ethereum for this transaction, seeing as it's an Ethereum based coin. Click on browser, click on Uniswap Exchange. And once you've clicked on Uniswap Exchange, you can connect your wallet by simply clicking on this profile icon right here at the top right corner of the screen and clicking on either connect or disconnect to connect your wallet. Another step would be clicking on this UFO. And once you've clicked on UFO, you simply paste the address we just previously copied from coinmarketcap.com. So by pasting this, the Jasmy coin is shown, and you click on Jasmy. And with that, we're going to be buying $0.001 worth of the Jasmy, which is equivalent to 472,000 or 472 of the Jasmy coin. But due to insufficient balance, we can't get that. Another thing to note is that the Jasmy costs about $12 worth of gas fees. And if you'd like to get this done for cheaper, all you simply need to do is minimize your Trust wallet and open up your KuCoin. By opening up KuCoin, you're given the opportunity to get this transaction done for a cheaper price. By clicking on the trade icon at the bottom of the screen, you're taken to the spot menu. And in order to use this spot menu, you must possess an asset, and that asset is USDT. So you must deposit USDT. You click on UFO USDT. In the search bar, search for Jasmy. As you can see, Jasmy USDT is here. And all you need to do is enter the amount of Jasmy you like or the volume of USDT. So let's say we want to go for $2. We're getting 581 of the Jasmy coin. If you could remember, we did $1.65, which was 400 and something on the Uniswap exchange. But here it's even more. So all you need to do is click on Buy Jasmy. By clicking on Buy Jasmy, you're going to be forfeiting $1.64 in exchange for 478 of the Jasmy coin. And with that, you simply head over to the assets, which is at the bottom right. And in your overview, from overview, you click on funding. And then you simply, in the space for search, you search for Jasmy. And then click on Jasmy. And then proceed to click on withdraw, which is at the bottom of the screen. The bottom of the screen. Click on withdraw now. Remember, it's an Ethereum token, so you're going to have to send it in Ethereum or on the Ethereum network. So you basically open back your Trust wallet, close the Uniswap exchange, open up the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and search for Jasmy. Here it is. Click on receive the Jasmy, copy this wallet address, open up KuCoin, paste, and then proceed to send the Jasmy coin to your Trust wallet. So guys, that's how you can simply buy the Jasmy coin on your Trust wallet. Okay guys, and with that done, for those of you who do not possess a KuCoin account, by using the link in the bottom of the video to register, you're going to be given $3,200 worth of bonus registration gifts by just simply clicking on that link and registering. So please make sure you do that. Thank you.